Hello guys, welcome back to Mufasuket with Fusion 360 3D Modeling Practical Exercise number 15, how to make a 3D shift wheel object. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can click here and click OK. Next, active a notification, checklist, and save to get our new tutorials. Okay, we start now. Open your Fusion 360 software. And first I will create circle. You can click sketch here and then click circle. You can choose center diameter circle and choose this plane. We create circle in here with diameter 32. Okay, I will create a circle with diameter 52 and we create a circle in here with diameter 64 and enter. Okay, I will create a circle again in here with diameter 226. Okay, and we create a circle in here with diameter 234. I will create a circle start from this point with diameter 268, and the last circle I will create in here with diameter 276 and enter. Okay, you can create a line object start from the center point to the top here. And then I will use a trim command to cut this line object. Right click and OK. Click cut this point. Right click and choose fix or unfix. Okay. I will create a 4 line. Start from this point to here. Okay, and in here. Okay, I will create in here. And the last line I will create in here. Use offset command. You can click here sketch and click offset. I will offset this line object with distance 8. Okay, we create offset again. This line object with distance 12 and enter. Okay, use extend command. I will extend this line object and right click OK. Next, we trim this line. Okay, right click and OK. I will give distance start from this point to this point with distance 8 and enter. Okay, I will give distance start from this point to this point. In here 46. We give distance in here. Okay, 7. And the last distance in here 10. Okay. Use trim command to cut this line object. Okay, I will cut this line object. We cut in here. Okay, I will cut this line object one by one. Okay, we'll undo in here and trim in here. Okay, you can cut in here, cut, and we cut in here. Right click and OK. Next, I will create line start from this point to this point and from this point to this point. I will create in here. Enter. We give length about this line object 3. Okay, and distance start from this point to this point 9. Okay, distance again start from this point to this point 5. And then I will give a distance start from this point to this point 36 and enter. Okay, I will use a trim command to cut this line object. Okay, we cut this line object. And then I will create a RC object. You can click sketch here, click RC, choose 3-point RC, start from this point to this point. Click in here, and then I will give the radius of this RC object 35 and enter. Okay, I will give distance start from this point to this point 5, and distance start from this point to this point 36, and enter. Okay, use a trim command to cut this line object. Okay, we already create this to this cat, and then I will convert this object into 3D models. You can click extrude option here. I will select at this face and this face. We extrude with 2 sides. Okay, I will distance 13, and in here 13. Can click OK. I will active scat. You can click here and then click here to active scat 1. Next, we extrude again. You can select this face. Okay, this face, and then this face with 2 sides, and distance 14. In here 14. You can click OK. Next, I will remove these 2 objects. You can click here create and then click remove. You can select this face and this face. Okay, for axis, I will select this line object, and you can change operation into new body. You can click OK. I will use a chamfer option. You can click modify here and then click chamfer. I will chamfer this edge with distance 10 and distance 3. Okay, I will chamfer again this edge with distance 3 and distance 9. Can click OK to chamfer. Okay, we already created this model, and then I will copy this object with circular pattern. You can click create here and then click pattern, choose circular pattern. Okay, for pattern type I will use bodies, and then objects I will select this 2 object. Okay, for axis I will select this green axis, and then quantity about X, and can click OK to finish. We already create this 3D model shape fill, and I will apply material into this object. You can click here and then choose render. Click appearance. Okay, I will use wood material. You can select this all bodies. Okay, and I will apply this material. You can click here this material and drag into this object. Okay, I will close. Next, I will setting lightning. You can click here, scan settings. Okay, I will increase brightness in here and use color into white for background. Apply and OK. Next, we try to render this object. You can click here and click in canvas render. Okay, waiting for rendering process until finish to excellent quality. Okay, we finished rendering process, and I think it's enough today for Fusion 360 3D modeling practical exercise number 15, how to make a 3D shape wheels. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in Fusion 360 3D modeling practical exercise number 16.